In this video I'm going to show you how to create a board on Miro. So what we will do, we will open our Miro account at miro.com, and after that this page will be opened. So the next step is to click on the three dots over here at My First Board and you will find the main menu. Now click on that, go to board, and after that you will see another menu which can be opened. And here you will find new board. Click on new board, and this is basically how you create a new board. Now the next step is to select the preferred design. For now I will click this away, but you can select a new template, but we just want to create a new board. So I will click on the name of the board and I will rename it. So I will call it new board. And as you can see, we have now successfully created a new board in Miro. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!